If you're in the military and you're going to be deployed for months, maybe even a year or more, you need a partner you can trust back home to be able to make sure that your family is taken care of. This is often your wife or your husband. But what if you don't have either? Or what if your wife or your husband doesn't have the financial knowledge to be able to really make the dollar stretch, or invest family funds, or do what's necessary to be able to keep the family financially safe? At our Financial Management for Deployed Military workshop, we help those who need it, whether they're the people who are actually deployed or deploying, or their family members who are meant to support them while they're away. We educate so that they can protect. And the more they're able to learn, the better they can identify scams, avoid the scams, and make things go further from a financial perspective for our deployed military. And that is a goal that I think we can all get behind. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.